These days, when I look at the news, like many of you, I am filled with rage.
I believe that all people in this country should have access to safe, affordable, and compassionate reproductive health care.
I believe that every woman, no matter where she lives, where she works, or where she gets her insurance, she should have access to safe, affordable, and compassionate reproductive health care, including abortion.
I believe that all women and girls have the fundamental ability to achieve what they dream of.
Every woman should have the right to choose when and if she's pregnant, and every child should have the right to be wanted.
I believe that a patient, not a politician, should be able to make decisions about their own reproductive health care with their doctor.
Ensuring access to preventive and reproductive health services is essential to our democracy and the economic vitality of our families, our communities, and our nation.
Reproductive health care doesn't just make us healthier, duh. It also helps us finish school, move up in our jobs, and have a chance to raise our families.
I believe that women's rights are equal rights.
As a doctor, one thing that I can do in my office to address gender equality is provide top quality care for women who need contraception and abortion.
I believe women, not politicians, should be able to make their own decisions about their health care.
I provide abortions because if I don't, who will? It's my moral duty.
For me, it all comes down to I want for women what I want for myself, a life of dignity, health, and well-being.
As a college student, I had an abortion so that I could finish my education and have the life and career that I was meant to have.
Abortion care must remain safe, legal, and accessible. We have too many lives to save to add in the victims of unsafe abortion.
I've spent my entire career ensuring that young people have access to sexual and reproductive health care.
I want my daughter, as well as all young women growing up, to have access to evidence-based sex education, as well as comprehensive reproductive health care.
Safe, affordable, and confidential reproductive health care, including abortion, is critical for all adolescent women.
I support abortion providers because they are among the kindest and most compassionate people I know.
I support them because they're the ones who are there in the examination rooms with patients, with women, when they're facing some of the most difficult decisions of their lives.
And they do it in the face of risk from protesters and from our legislators. And they do it every day because they know that their patients need them.
I believe abortion providers are true heroes.
I applaud Physicians for Reproductive Health for training and mobilizing doctor advocates like me for the past 25 years.
I want to thank you, the Voices of Courage, for working so hard to ensure that those rights are protected.
I thank you for always being a voice of courage.
I am 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 an advocate for reproductive rights, and I am a voice of courage.
I'm a voice of courage.
I am a voice of courage.
I am a voice of courage.
I am a voice of courage.
I congratulate Physicians for Reproductive Health on their 25th anniversary and all the work they do to improve the health of our nation's families. We are all voices of courage.